Hey guys, Vinesh here, and today I'm unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. The phone launched back in 2018, and this is the box that the phone comes in. This is the sunrise gold color. A friend of mine has lent me his phone. He just bought it yesterday, and I'm unboxing it now. This is the back of the box, usually with all the normal details on the phone, and well, there's some Arabic stuff which I have no idea what that is. But anyways, that's pretty much in the back of the box. Then you have the usual stuff on the sides. You have the IMEI codes and whatnot. Let me just pull out the outer cover, and this is the box in itself. The usual Samsung Galaxy box fare. There's nothing much special going on here. There's a tape there which is kind of sealed, so let me just open that. 1 second. It's quite difficult, but yeah, just opening it. Finally done opening it. It took at least a good 2-3 minutes to open that. But this is the box in itself, and there seems to be a small packet sort of a thing inside. Let me just pull it out. I'm guessing this has the user manual and the SIM card pin. I think. Let me just open it. And yeah, it is the SIM card pin, and there also is a rubber phone case inside. Let me just get that out for you guys to see. Just a second. It's a transparent case, made of rubber, as I can see. And the quick start guide also for the phone. It's a nice initiative by Samsung to give a rubber case for the phone, so you can use it instantly without worrying about scratching it. Usually, I would get smartphones and then order a case also before I actually use the phone. But this is helpful. Let me get the phone out. There's a thing in the side to help me get it out. This is the phone itself in a nice gold color. Looks quite fancy, and obviously the phone itself is of a premium quality without a doubt. This is the phone. It shines quite nicely, as you can see by the reflection. Let me remove this, and inside this we have the chargers. So this is, I'm guessing, the fast charger for the phone, and yeah, it's adaptive fast charging. So yeah, there's a Samsung fast charger, and in the back is a USB slot. Then there's a connector sort of a thing here. Let me see what that is. USB Type C on one end, USB on the other side. Not exactly sure what it's for, but I'm guessing this is part of the fast charging mechanism. No clue what you use this for. And then inside this small box you have the earphones and the charging cables. This, what I'm taking out now, is the USB cable, which also has a Type C connector, so I don't know what that other one is for, but oh well. Then you have the earphones, quite standard earphones. There seems to be some branding on the earphones, AKG. I'm not sure what that is, but I'm guessing it's a sound company of some sort. Then I'm guessing this is the earbuds, some extra earbuds. So if the old ones get spoiled, you can change it. You got like 4 pieces here, so should last you quite a long time. Anyways, to summarize, this is pretty much it, guys. The phone, you have your fast charger, the connector, which I don't know what that is, but then you also have the rubber case, the cables, and the quick start guide. That's pretty much it. If you guys like this unboxing, do click share and like. Thanks for watching.